half hour.
Back here on the island, the town of Hempstead is bulldozing someone's front lawn. And News 12 Long Island's Aaron Colton is in Newcastle with more on why the homeowner was given the option to clean up or pay up.
Yes, that's right, Danielle. And to quote the town councilman here in North Hempstead, the residents here are mad as hell and they're not going to take it anymore. They've been staring at this eyesore for weeks now. Look at this house. If you can even see the house, concrete piled up to almost the top of it here, weeds and trees so high you can hardly see the house, garbage just covering the front lawn, bottles, tires, gloves, anything that you name you can find here in this house, and it definitely is some kind of safety hazard. The town has a law that you have to maintain your property to a certain level of safety or they're going to do something about it. Joining me here is the town councilman, Robert Troiano. What are you going to do about it today?
Well, today we're bringing in a highway crew and we're going to clean this place up and make it look nearly brand new.
Was it obvious what you had to do here after you saw this house?
Yeah, I don't know how residents put up with this for so long. It really is a case where the landowner just trampled on the rights of the community by not taking care of his property in this manner.
Now, you tried to contact the owner. Do we know where he is?
The owner has taken off. He's left town. He's in South Carolina, and he's totally non-responsive. And to follow up, we've actually contacted the bank that now owns the property, and they've just been just as non-responsive. They're based in Texas. They don't care about our community, and we're showing that the town of North Hempstead does care. We're going to take action here.
Okay, thank you, town councilman. But don't worry, the owner, he's not going to get away with this. He's going to have to pay for all of the bills that takes to clean up this house and make it normal again. So we will be here for the bulldozing, we'll be here for the shoveling, and we'll bring it to you all a little bit later today. For now, I'm in Newcastle. Aaron Colton, News 12 Long Island.
All right, Aaron.